again. I've come outside today to talk to you about our upcoming yoga experiences, because this one is Nurture Your Nature. So what better way to talk about it than in a field with some lovely sheep where we'll be doing the yoga. So here in Rye there is a beautiful nature reserve, of which I am currently wandering around, and there are just lovely views really, sort of as far as the eye can see. There's lots of different types of landscape as you kind of wander through, and it's just ever changing. I've been walking around here since January, so I've seen many sort of changing landscapes, the lambs being born, and it really is just, yeah, a very, very lovely, beautiful place. So we are going to be holding some yoga classes in the field, so getting stretching, moving to the sounds of nature, to the lovely views, and some meditation as well. So I think meditation and yoga in nature has a whole different experience. It just deepens it. It brings you sort of closer to the core of your being, closer to nature, closer to Mother Earth. And it's just something that's, you know, if you've never done it before, it's just really worth experiencing. And also going on mindful walks, because I just stepped in a puddle. Not being mindful right now. But mindful walks, which are, you know, walks in silence, walks not staring at your phone, not concentrating on anything else apart from where you are in the moment, what's in front of you. Again, just to really bring those cortisol levels down, those stress levels down, and bring you to a whole new level of calm. So we're doing these, the link is in my bio to book your place. They're weekly on a Friday afternoon and a Sunday afternoon. So really chilled, couple of hours, just take it out for yourself. To really get the benefits of nature. Hope to see you there. Thank you.